Wouldn't it be great if you could organize your course and training materials into multiple groups? For example, all your K-12 materials can be grouped across segments like CBSE, ICSE, Kerala State and Karnataka State and so on. You can even have groups like IIT and NEET. And wouldn't it also be great if you could further drill down these groups into sub-segments or subgroups? For example, within the CBSE group, you can create multiple sub-segments based on classes. Hi and welcome to Learner's Product Tutorials. And in this video, we will look into how you can organize your course contents and training materials in a better way for your students. Organizing or structuring your training materials can really help your students. In fact, students learn better when your course contents are organized into meaningful buckets. In this video, let us see how you can create more coherent learner-paced courses that your students will love using the new Segments feature. Let's get started. To create segments, go to your admin dashboard, click on Manage and click on Segments. Once inside the segments, click on Create Segments. Here you can give the segment a proper title, SEO description and long description. A proper title and description will help your page rank organically in Google. So make sure you get these steps right. If you want to know how to create proper course titles, click on the info card pop-up to our 3 secret tips to create an amazing course title. Next, within the segments, you will find the URL section. Each of your course segments will have a specific purpose, right? For example, you may want to organize your training materials for class 11 students and share that segment exclusively with them. The URL section lets you create a shareable segment URL. You can simply enter a custom URL in the URL box. Alternatively, if you leave it blank, the system will pick your segment title as the default URL text. Once you have decided your URL, you can click on the copy URL link of your segments page and share it with your target students. Now, let us click on Next. And this leads to another interesting feature. You have the option to upload a cover image and segments image. Adding images will beautify your segments page. When students click on the URL of the segments page, they will find a beautiful and complete segments page. This will increase the chances of course conversions. So don't forget to add images in your segments page. Now within the segments, you can either create a sub-segment or products directly. Let us see how to organize your training materials into sub-segments. Let us say you have created a segment for CBSE courses. Now within the CBSE segment, you can create multiple sub-segments. Using sub-segments, you can organize your training materials for class 8th, class 9th, class 10th, class 11th and so on. Let us see how to do that. Click on the Add Subsegment button. Now give a name and description and proper URL to your subsegment and click Next. Add images and proceed to save your changes. You can choose to add more subsegments or you can simply add your products within the subsegment. Now that we have covered how to create subsegments, let us see how to add products within your segments. To add your products, let us choose a different unpublished segment. Click on the Add Products button. Now there are 2 types of products you can add within a segment. You can add a product which is an individual mock test, course, test series or bundle, or you can add categories which are groups of mock tests, courses, test series or bundles. Let us see how to add each one of them starting with the products. To add a product, first click on Add Products and select the Products option. Here you can type in the product that you want. For example, to add all IIT related training materials, type IIT and click on the checkbox next to each of the products. Alternatively, you can click on the Select All checkbox to select all the IIT products. Once you have added the products, click on Publish to make the segments go live. Similarly, to add categories into your segments, click on the Add Products button and select the Categories option. For example, I can create a segment for the NEET exam and add the entire products from the categories. With this, we have covered how to organize your course or training materials into subsegments, products, and categories. Now it is time to make your segments go live. To do that, go to the unpublished segment and click on the publish button. Now click on the enable button on the top to make your segments visible to your students. Please note that you should have at least one product within your segment. Segments also have a setting feature to help you control how learners should access the segments. Let's go ahead and see how to access the settings. First, go to segments and click on settings on the top. Here, you can enable your learners to pick and choose any segments that they want. You will also find a checkbox called as segment switch. This will allow your learners to switch between segments and access your courses grouped in another segment. You can disable this option if you want your learners to be confined to only one segment. Lastly, you can share the segment URL with your students. When your students click on the URL, they will see only the segments relevant to them. Based on the visibility that you have set, they can either switch or be confined to one segment. With this, we have come to the end of the segments video. Let us recap the key points. Segments feature allow you to organize your course training materials into meaningful groups or buckets. You can create multiple sub-segments within each segment. You can also add multiple products or categories within the segments. You can also beautify your segments page with images and share its URL with specific target students. Lastly, you can control whether students can switch the segments or not. I hope this segments feature helps you organize your course contents and training materials in the best possible way. Let me know in the comment section the challenges you face while organizing your courses. Lastly, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it in your known circle. Do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on course creation and marketing tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you, take care and bye.